Okay, so there are 8 participants are there. Okay, so I think the screen is visible to everyone. Okay. Their mic can tell me yes or no.
Visible.
Yes. Is my voice coming properly? Somebody please open their mic and tell me. Hello. Oh, I'm audible. Somebody please reply. Okay, okay. So I think all of you has gone through this canvas, if I'm not wrong. But if you have not seen that updated canvas portal of our DCN subject, so kindly look at this one. We have categorized whatever the teaching scheme we have, and according to the task that we have, that I have already just divided in various section, and you can see those stuff updated from your canvas. So some of the modules are which is live now, and some of the modules are yet not live, but as soon is going to be live in maximum about 10 or 20, 12 days. Okay. So what everybody needs to do, just first I'm going to explain that you need to do in this entire stuff. I think all of you to go with all the tasks. Okay. And you look that is right. Even for the materials like ebooks, that the PPT that we have, conductor that we are using, Multisim software download link are there, teaching scheme of this particular semester. You can see that stuff. Okay. So if you go with the teaching scheme, so that rubric and all the stuff which is already available with it. But by and large, there are a different section. This detailed teaching scheme that I'm going to explain you on a next lecture, which is on Tuesday. So I'm going to explain what you need to do and what are the stuff we have. Okay. So over here, there are a term work. In term work, there are a simple, whatever the laboratory experiment, 14 laboratory experiment we are doing. So along with that laboratory exercise, your entire term work is going to be evaluated from that. So we can say that is going to be completed within your laboratory exercise and no extra time that you required for that, because you have to complete in your regular academics. Then you are having IA. Now in IA, there are 5 things you have. Okay. There are 2 surprise tests is going to be there. Now when the surprise is the paper you, okay, and we will take those surprise tests at any time, so you'll be ready for that. So 2 surprise tests are there, which is containing 30 marks, as well as there are 6 worksheets are there. So worksheet having a question like that, there are some signals are there, or there are some communication scenarios are there, or there are some analog digital signal based questions are there, and you need to write the answer on those worksheet and you need to upload it back as a PDF file. Okay. So that 5 mark worksheet and such 6 worksheets you have. Then you are having a 5 Cisco packet tracer task. What is a Cisco packet tracer task which is already live now? So you can see from your canvas, and the task 1 to task 5, it's already available in your canvas. So you can start attempting that one. But before that, majority of the student having the question, how we can do the task in a Cisco. So the basic training and the certification program that we have run over here, and there are a registration link and all the stuff I have given in this canvas. So you need to register with that particular module and you enroll for the course. And this course is required 8 to 10 hours of online classes are there. Okay. So if you want to complete it today itself or in just 1 week, it is up to you. So that one certification will give you a 30 mark, and we can say there are a 20% of the weightage of IA is going to be covered from this one. So this is a compulsory task, Cisco packet tracer, and based upon that other Cisco task, you need to type in that. Another term which is active learning video making, that I'm going to assign individual topic and what are the rules, regulations are there, that you will get soon. There are 9 quiz are there, and each quiz is going to having a 10 questions. Okay, and the chapter quiz is going to be soon on this week. You will get 2 quiz, and we will give you the 1 week or 15 days of time to complete that one. And the deadline for each and every quiz which is going to be available and within this week only. So all the quiz is going to be live as per that different timing gap or different timing sequence. So that's the stuff. EAC, there are 2 papers are there. One paper which is open book test, as you have experienced such type of the test in basic electronics and digital. So EAC 1 will be open book test of 50% of your subject, while EAC 2 is a take-home test, which is a complete subject followed by the Viva. So you need to submit the EAC 2 work to the respective faculty, and you need to give the Viva on that EAC also, and based upon your Viva and your submission, the grading of EAC 2 is going to identify. So these are the stuff over here about overall this thing. There is a final Viva is there. That's overall subject Viva is going to be organized whenever your final submission date or that submission week are there, okay, on that time. So these are the whole stuff. Soon you will get one by one module over here. But right now, term work module is live. IA, there are a Cisco packet tracer. There are 2 modules live. Soon the CSE, majority of the quiz is going to be live in this 15 days. So be ready for that, because we have completed near about chapter 1 and chapter 2. So soon you will get the quiz on that. So these are the whole stuff. Now in today's lab, what everybody needs to do, that you need to perform the lab experiment number 3. So as per our tradition, like in all the experiment, there are a pre-lab exercise are there are a post-lab exercise are there are a multisim based circuits are there, as there are no students over here. So we are going to perform the multisim. But let me just show you that what are the things that you need to do in that particular laboratory exercise. So this is the exercise which is available in your canvas that you need to do. And in that one, that means, so yeah. So first, there is you need to visit the mentioned link, okay, and draw the continuous signal, its contact signal and encoded beat. For the hint, one signal is encoded and look like this one. Okay, so if I'll just click on this one, and let me show you that what this link is going to show to you. Just a second. I think that animation is not available, but just a second. Check it in the last day, but why it is not working? Can somebody try it from your mobile, whether it is working or not? Please check it, because I have tried it yesterday. Somebody please check that on your mobile device, whether it's working or not. Not working in your feed. Okay. Just a second. stuff is going to be, it's okay. We will go with the another stuff. Like if you have been a search on the internet, like analog to digital conversion, any method. But there are sorts of videos are there. You can see some of the video or some of the stuff which will just give you the glimpses of that. Okay, so there are some stuff are there. There are the samplings are there. From that sampling, how the signal is going to be decoded, and all the sampling, quantization, and this thing we have already seen in our last lab, previous lab in experiment number 1. We have already seen this one, and I have explained it that what do you mean by analog to digital converter and how it is going to work. So this is a similar type of the concept is there about analog to digital conversion. So you can see that it is not that much of difficult from that. And what you need to do, there are depend on those examples, and the theory. What everybody need to do, they need to go with the exercise like. Just a second. Yes, visit the Manson link and draw the continuous signal, its quantized signal and encoded beats. For the hint, so you can say this is your signals. Like let's say your encoded beat is this one. Like for this one, 100, 101, 110, and so on. Okay. So over here, the signal is shown to you. You need to write down that what is your encoded beat by looking to this particular signal. Okay. You have this particular analog signal, which is getting encoded with some red type of the signal over here. You need to write down that what is the final encoded beat sequence you have that you have observed from this one. Okay, so just see that particular this given waveform. Try to write this all the digital codes with respect to this. I can say that's a squared pulse signal, or we can say that's a staircase signal. So that is a simple thing you need to do. You need to write a beat sequence by looking to this particular digital waveform or with this encoded levels. Okay. Next, what you need to do, if we can see this one, if there is a TDM, this TDM is also not working over here, but it's okay. Don't go with that. I can say with that animation of this time division multiplexing. Just leave that. I am going to find out that what is the other suitable link with respect to this one. But right now for this TDM, just leave this question number 2. Then directly you need to jump for the, like this is a procedure whenever we have a hardware or whenever we have a physical kit. So how this physical kit will do the exercise of this digital conversion that you can see from this procedure. That entire procedure has been given. But right now, as you don't have any digital kit over here, no physical students are available. So we will go with the stuff of simulation. So we can say there is a multisim circuit is already given. So you need to create this multisim circuit, and whatever the waveform of this oscilloscope as well as the screenshot of this multisim circuit, you need to attach as the answer. And then you need to write the conclusion, and then you need to go for this post-lab exercise. And at the end, you need to write tick mark, whatever you are learning out of that, what you have learned from this particular concepts that you need to tick mark. Is it okay? So this is an exercise related to create analog to digital circuit, or we can say how those multiplexing that already we have done on the last model, how it is related over here, what are the converter over here, and how the signal is going to be generated. Okay, so this is the ADC, analog to digital converter are there, and then we are having a DAC also. So just try to implement this particular circuit and the same waveform that I am also going to show you. Okay, after a few minutes or after 15 or 10 minutes. But at least you need to create this circuit, and you need to write a pre-lab exercise and post-lab exercise. Any query in this one? Again, I'm repeating. In task 1, you need to write down a beat stream beats. What is the beats which is encoded through this waveform, red color waveform, that you need to write in this one. About the question 2, wait for a 5 minutes. Once I will finish this discussion, I will give the link for this question number 2. Okay, and then rest of the exercise, which is very known to. And any doubt during any question or any circuit creation, you can ask me. Any doubt over here? What you need to do? What are the things we have? Tirth, other students, I need a confirmation from everyone. I hope that the concept, or I can say this is a previous lecture submission is already completed. Now we will focus on the lab experiment number 3. Is it okay? Anybody have any question? Please ask me. I need a confirmation in everyone. And not that there are some poll question is also going to be there during the laboratory. So you need to be active and you need to tell me if any doubt you have. But right now, start with pre-lab exercise, post-lab exercise, multisim circuits, and let me know if any doubt or any query is there. Okay, but start working on this one. Soon, in a 1 or 2 minutes, let me just give you a link for the pre-lab exercise task number 2. It's not working, just a minute of time, so I will give. So I'll give you the another link for understanding that task number 2. Give me a 2 minutes. Meanwhile, start working on pre-lab exercise, then multisim circuit, and then post-lab exercise. Those who have joined late, I'm again going to explain them. Just go through the laboratory experiment number 3 in your canvas, and you need to do the pre-lab exercise. Then you need to create a multisim circuit, which is shown over there. You need to write down a post-lab exercise. Pre-lab exercise 1, by looking to the signal, you need to write that what are the encoded beats are there. As this analog to digital conversion, we have already discussed in the laboratory 1. I have already explained to you. So based on that, you need to write down just encoded beat by looking through the red color staircase signal. In laboratory 2 pre-lab exercise number 2, question number 2, I am going to give you the new link as that link is not working right now. Okay, then you need to create a multisim circuit as given in that simulation section. Then you need to go with the post-lab exercise. So this 3 tasks you need to do by looking to that canvas. So everybody start working on that. Okay, so for the time division multiplexing, I am going to sharing one link on your chat box. Okay, everybody see that over that there are a video for frequency division multiplexing given. Okay, and the description of time division multiplexing already given, and already you have time division multiplexing theory. We have already studied in a last lecture that how the signal is going multiplexed. There are turn by turn, but their detailed animation, their block diagram is available in their website. So just read that, and what is a block diagram or how time division multiplexing is shown over there. You just read that, understand, and then write it as a pre-lab exercise. That what you have got, the diagram from this link, and what you have observed, that what is time division multiplexing. The diagram and the description of that, you need to write it in a pre-lab exercise. Pre-lab exercise number 2. Is it okay with everyone? Just see this link and you will get the idea that what is FDM, what is TDM, WDM. But out of that, multiplexing first you need to understand, and then you need to write about the TDM only. So just see, go through that link and let me know, okay, if any doubt, any questions. Yes, have you written those link or those word stream? 00110, whatever that stream. Who has written that one? Please write it over here. Does anybody has completed that yet? Soon I'm going to check your assignments, that your submission also about lab 0, lab 1. So might be in within this lab, you will get the mark of that also. Okay. I was doing like this. Okay, there. Okay, nice. So I'm going to check this grade group of everyone. So share the screen. Meanwhile, you are doing the stuff. So I'm going to identify what you do. So 3.0. So under this nickel, I think there are 6 point something volt are there. Okay. So 19 hertz. So what is your audible frequency? I think you would have missed to write it over here. Nickel is there in the lab, but it's okay. Let me just give the full mark as it is an initial exercise. So This lab experiment number 2, Raj and Rutik, only 2 students are there who have submitted this particular exercise. I already given a last week of time. I think today is the last date for that experiment number 2. Don't consider with that that you are going to submit on tomorrow, because for this lab the last date is today only for experiment number 2. If you're not going to submit, I will put 0 mark. Okay, so make sure you submit it today before in a laboratory experiment number 3. You get another 1 week. Otherwise, today. Okay, getting error in multisim circuit Tirth. Let me just share my screen so you will get. Just wait for a minute. And everybody need to write a conclusion in every lab experiment. If you see there is a conclusion written, so you must need to type or you need to write as a hand. Your conclusion must be needed. Okay, it is compulsory for all of you. So I have observed there are many students who is not writing a conclusion. So don't make a mistake. Write the conclusion at the end over here, as well as tick mark the learning outcome, that what you have learned from this particular exercise, tick mark on that one. This 2 thing is compulsory to all of you. Without that, I'm not going to evaluate your experiment, or I will cut down the many marks. Write your conclusion and your learning outcome. Don't forget to do that. Let me show you the multisim circuit of this exercise. So this is the red color signal, which actually the input signal that you have given, and down signal, which is nothing but your read signal from the digital to analog. So this first block is ADC, second block is a DAC, digital to analog conversion. Now check with this one, what is the error you are getting? Tirth, can you share your screen, or please first modify or verify with this one whether all the component is okay or not. Verify with this one, and then if still it is not going to came properly, just let me know. We will see your screen and we will discuss what are the issues with that. Is it okay, Tirth? Just check this circuit and this waveform with you. Okay, so share your screen. If it is showing that it's a still simulation error, let me stop my screen. You share your screen, Tirth. Let that simulation error, there are sometime if your ground is not connected or it is just unconnected, it's also give you the error sometime. We will see your screen.
So is it visible?
Okay, just click on that one. What is the error it will show?
So whenever I am running it, it is showing this error.
Hello. Yes,
Hello.
start a simulation. What error? Okay. No. Click on no. Click on no.
Click, sir.
Simulation error, no. Yes. Okay, Tirth, you open your mic so we will
So it is open
now
already.
just check that ground. Yes, Tirth. What?
Yes, sir, I have checked all the things.
It's
It is
your
in proper way.
voice is low. Just stretch out that ग्राउंड को जितना भी ग्राउंड है उसको एक बार चेक करिए. हेलो.
Hello. Yes,
नहीं
sir.
कोई बात नहीं.
Just
शेयरिंग मत स्टॉप करो, सिर्फ देखो ग्राउंड वो कुछ अप डाउन नहीं रह गए ना, यहीं
हाँ
पे करो,
सर.
कोई बात नहीं. वो ग्राउंड वाला जो पिन है ना वो ऐसे ऊपर नीचे करो ना. जितने
कहाँ
भी
पे सर?
ग्राउंड है ना सब जगह पे, ये सब जगह पे कैपेसिटर वाला जो R1 R2 वाला ये रहा ना, ये ठीक है आपका. बाकी के जो ग्राउंड है ना, ये AC के साथ जो जी बार के साथ जो ग्राउंड है उसको ऊपर नीचे करो एक बार उसको. हाँ, सब ग्राउंड को ऊपर नीचे करो. मैं ऐसा दे रहा हूँ थोड़ा. हाँ, मूवमेंट करो उसको. केबल खींच रहा है, नीचे लेके जाओ उसको. नो ग्राउंड ग्राउंड सिलेक्ट करो ग्राउंड. नीचे नीचे लेके जाओ. नहीं वो सही है. ये दूसरे ग्राउंड का देखो, ऊपर नीचे. हाँ ठीक है. बाकी का ADC वाला,
ADC का कर दिया सर.
ये 1 वोल्ट पिक टू पिक वाला उसका देखो.
Done.
हेलो दीप, am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Okay, ठीक है, चलिए. Deep, will you also get a same error? Everybody is getting.
Yes, sir.
तीर्थ चेक करो ना, ये जो VCC V है उसके कुछ कनेक्शन लूज नहीं रह गए ना? वो ट्राई करो एक बार.
No, sir.
Because I am not getting any type of same.
VCC and V दोनों सर सेम मीन्स राइट प्लेस पे है,
Okay, okay, okay.
राइट कनेक्शन है.
Just a second, huh? एक मिनट. Let me do something. Exercise. It's showing fine in my case. ये जो रेजिस्टेंस R2 है, रेजिस्टेंस R2 उसको ऊपर नीचे करो, वो कनेक्शन. ओके, यस करो एक बार यस करो, देखते एक बार यस करो, देखते कोई बात नहीं. क्या कह रहा है वो, एरर क्या है, एक बार यस करो. वेट करो, क्या हो रहा है देखते हैं.
Okay, sir.
Ankur Saparia, I have doubt in lab number 2. Can I share after this? Okay, Ankur, wait for a while, okay? Once I finish with this one. See.
Okay, sir.
एक बार ऐसा करिए, इसको कैंसिल कर दीजिए. ठीक, कैंसिल
Yes,
करो,
sir.
सेव करो
Okay.
और फिर से करो, सेव करके.
Still getting the same error.
हाँ, ये
Still
पूरा
getting the
प्रोग्राम करके
same
फिर
error.
से यही स्क्रीन चालू करो. नहीं, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, ये क्लोज कर दो पूरा
हाँ.
विंडो.
Okay.
ये सिमुलेशन मल्टीसिम बंद कर दो, फिर से वही चालू करो, उसके ऊपर डबल क्लिक करके लेब लेब ये क्लोज ही कर दो सर. नहीं, ओपन सैंपल नहीं, क्लोज कर दो, एग्जिट एग्जिट पूरा मल्टीसिम बंद कर दो, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ.
Yes.
अभी फिर से वो मल्टीसिम कहाँ पे सेव किया था, चालू करो.
वही आ रहा है सर, सिमुलेशन एरर.
लैब 3
ठीक है,
ये
3.
लैगिंग है. तो आवाज बहुत कम आ रहा है तीर्थ का.
सर नेटवर्क इश्यू है थोड़ा इसलिए.
नेटवर्क इशू है ना, थोड़ा रुकिए ना, क्या फिर से वही आ रहा है. एक मिनट, हाँ, एक मिनट. नो करो इसको. और ये U2 में एडीसी वाले में U2 के ऊपर क्लिक करो, इसकी प्रॉपर्टी में अगर कुछ दिक्कत नहीं है। आपका स्क्रीन स्टक हो गया है। पिंस में जाओ, पिंस में। रुको एक मिनट। एक काम करो, ये नेट है ना, एनसी, एनसी उसको 13 दे दो, 13। कट रहा है, कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे, देखो एक बार। कैन यू चेंज
कैसे
इट?
चेंज? नो सर, आई कैन।
दूसरा चेंज हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है?
नहीं हो रहा है सर।
ओके, एक एक। ओके, वो डिस्प्ले में आइए, डिस्प्ले में वही सेम विंडो में एडीसी डी है, डिस्प्ले में आइए। हाँ भैया, डिस्प्ले लेबल, डिस्प्ले वैल्यूज लिखा है। स्क्रीन स्टॉप हो गया है। एक हेलो।
हेलो।
हाँ, आ रहा है आवाज मेरा? हेलो हेलो। हाँ, वैल्यूज में जाइए, वैल्यूज में एडिट, एडिट पिंस करके आएगा। वैल्यूज में एडिट
वैल्यूज।
कंपोनेंट इन डीबी, एडिट कंपोनेंट इन डीबी देखिए, फर्स्ट वाला क्लिक करिए। पिन नंबर
यस सर,
उसको थोड़ा
आया।
एक्सपांड करिए। हाँ, एक मिनट। क्या, मैं भी चेक कर लेता हूँ मेरे पे यहाँ पावर वन ए सेक्शन सही है, सब चीजें ठीक है। मॉडल ये इसको सेव कर दीजिए, और मॉडल सेव करिए इसको, और मॉडल के ऊपर क्लिक करिए। मॉडल में देख लेते हैं क्या है। वो भी ठीक है। पिन पैरामीटर, पैकेज, पैकेज क्या है देखिए, पैकेज। पिन पैरामीटर को देखते हैं, पिन पैरामीटर को। पिन पैरामीटर क्या, पी आई एल सही है। हाँ, एक काम करता हूँ, लेट मी जस्ट क्रिएट अ सेम सर्किट फ्रॉम माय साइड बाय टेकिंग अ कंपोनेंट, वी विल चेक। ओके, तो ये कर सकते हैं हम लोग। सो
ओके सर।
लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन, लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन,
ओके।
एंड अगेन गोइंग टू डू दैट इन अ न्यू इश्यू और नॉट। अंकुर का क्वेश्चन हम देखते हैं, ठीक है? पहले ये आज का जो सर्किट है इसके लिए हम
ओके सर।
कर लेते हैं। क्या है एवरी, विल चेक। Hello. Okay, 100 ohms and K. It's working fine in my simulation. I'm getting any error. It's working perfectly with me. So better what we can do over here, like recreate the circuit by removing all the component and do it again, because when I have recreated this one, so there are no issues facing right now. All the thing working perfectly. See? Okay, so try to do that deep and deep. Remove all the component. It will take 10 to 15 minutes of time, not more than that. And select the component again and try to do that. Okay, that's the one. If it is not still working, then we will see what happened, whether it's a software issue or whatever the stuff. Okay. Yes, now there is a question of lab to Ankur Saparia. Ankur, what is your question? Kindly share your screen. We will see your doubt. Ankur.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Ankur. What is the issue? Just go to your circuit, Ankur.
सर इसमें
हाँ
मैंने मल्टी सिम में डाली है
ओके मल्टीसिम
और
इससे
मुझे
क्या हो
कुछ
रहा है
वेवफॉर्म मिल रहा है, लेकिन उसका मीन समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि ऐसा वेवफॉर्म क्यों मिल रहा है मीन्स ऐसा।
आपने ये जो रजिस्टर रजिस्टर लिया है वो पोटेंशियोमीटर है या दूसरा वेरिएबल रजिस्टर है
पोटेंशियोमीटर सर।
ठीक है चलो कोई बात नहीं हाँ अब अभी करिए ऑन करिए स्क्रीन अभी एक्सेप्ट G1 में चाहिए एक्सेप्ट G1 में
कहाँ पर?
मैं भी रुकिए आपको बताता हूँ फंक्शन जनरेटर में फंक्शन जनरेटर में ठीक है
ओके।
फंक्शन जनरेटर में जाके फ्री 30
यस। 1 किलो रखिए,
नहीं
चेंज कर
10
दूँ?
किलो 10 किलो कर दो
ओके।
30 नहीं सॉरी 30 हर्ट्ज करो 30 हर्ट्ज फ्रीक्वेंसी 30 हर्ट्ज एम्पलीट्यूड 2 वोल्ट
2 वोल्ट पिक टू पिक।
हाँ 2 वोल्ट पिक टू पिक वो फ्रीक्वेंसी 30 हर्ट्ज ओनली
ओके सर।
और 2 वोल्ट ऑफसेट जीरो
ओके ओके सर।
अभी रन करिए और थोड़ा इसको जूम आउट हो सकता है नहीं वो तो सही है
ऐसा मिल रहा है तो।
टाइम पर डिवीजन सेक्शन पर डिवीजन करिए चेंज ऑटो कर दीजिए ऑटो कर दीजिए ना इससे तो ऑटो भी मिलेगा हाँ हो रहा है ना अभी देखिए क्या मिलेगा अभी ठीक है वो है हो रहा है
सर
ना
एस
साइन हाँ
यस
बोलिए
सर। ऐसा हमें वेवफॉर्म मिला मीन्स हमें इससे पता कैसे चलेगा कि ये
इसका
टीमर।
बताता हूँ इसका क्या मतलब होता है कि लाइक यू कैन से 3 सिग्नल यू हैव वन इज अ साइनोसॉइडल वेव आप वो फंक्शन जनरेटर में से साइन वेव दे रहे हो दैट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग दूसरा आप अलग अलग डिजिट्स दे रहे हो जो आपके 4017 BD इज देयर सो 4017 इज अ जॉनसन काउंटर तो जॉनसन काउंटर कैसे जनरेट करता है सिग्नल लाइक जीरो स्टेयर केस कैसे होता है लाइक इट विल जनरेट द सिग्नल और उसमें से आप नंबर 2 3 4 ले रहे हो so इसका मीनिंग हुआ देर आर 3 डिफरेंट पल्स विथ दैट यू आर गिविंग ओवर हियर ओके सो यही हो रहा है देखिए ये जो आप ये जो सिग्नल ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो उसमें एक साइनोसॉइडल वेव भी दिख रहा है को साथ में अलग अलग वीक पल्स भी दिख रहा है कुछ छोटा कुछ बड़ा लाइकवाइज so we can say by having this analog plus this digital that your signal is getting multiplexed और वो तीनों मल्टीप्लाई होके एनालॉग साइन वेव और ये अलग अलग वेव यहाँ पे मल्टी हो रहा है दैट्स द वन ऑब्जर्वेशन वी कैन से नाउ कैसे हम इसका चेंज करें कि लाइक हमको व्हाट इज कंडीशन फॉर दिस डिफरेंट वेवफॉर्म सो जो भी आपके पास आपका वेरिएबल रजिस्टर है और पोटेंशियोमीटर तो ये आप वो चाहिए वैल्यू अब बाद में देखिएगा कुछ आपको चेंजेस मिलेगा आपकी पल्स विथ बड़ी होगी छोटी होगी जो पोटेंशियोमीटर है ना
ओके सर।
R5 और वो सब कुछ वो चेंज करोगे तो sometimes it is happened like that your sinusoidal wave is getting a higher amplitude while pulse is getting lower we can say sometimes pulse is getting high kind of giving सिग्नल के जो 40 है वो मल्टीप्लेक्स होके आपके काउंटर में जा रहे हैं काउंटर कौन सा है आपका ये 4066 ये 4066 कुछ नहीं बट मॉड्यूलो 10 काउंटर है आपका अप काउंटर मॉड्यूलो 10 काउंटर ठीक है मॉड्यूलो
ओके
10
सर।
काउंटर जैसे तो सिग्नल 3 में do it likewise it is happening. Okay.
Okay, sir. Got it. Thank you.
Okay. Any doubt to any other student, please let me know. Okay. Keep doing and ask me if you have any doubt. Okay. Yes, in lab 2 post lab exercise नहीं करना क्योंकि वो हार्डवेयर के ऊपर है, so please don't no need to do that. It's okay. That I have explained in last lab also. Get it? What is the status of everyone? Two students have shown me their work, but what about the others? Write it in the chat box. What is your status? What you have completed? What are the remaining? Write it in the chat box, everyone, quickly. don't know that what. Okay, again, share your screen. We will see it. I don't know why. Yes, invisible. Just share your multisim. Multisim screen share. Okay, close करो, no करो. ये ऑसिलोस्कोप डिलीट कर दो तो थोड़ी देर के लिए. The screen is again stuck. एक ओके ओके एक काम करो एक नो करो नो करो. ये आपकी स्क्रीन चिपक गई है. Yes, stuck. फिर से शेयर करो.
Yes, sir. Now it is visible.
No, it is not visible yet. वो जो आपके नीचे वो सर्किट 1 और लैब 3 दो विंडो है. Whenever you open that circuit, there are lab 0, lab 3 and our design 1 वाला है ना, उसमें जाइए design 1 वाले में.
I am in the design one, sir.
Okay, so lab 3 में जाइए अभी. वो नीचे से tab select करिए. Design 3.
What, sir?
Screen में कुछ movement ही नहीं. वो lab 3 बंद कर दीजिए. बस सिर्फ डिजाइन 1 ही ओपन रखिए और रन करने की ट्राई करिए.
Okay.
Save it, yes. हाँ, तो ये स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहे हो ना, तो 1-2 सेकंड के बाद वो विंडो आता है. दीप, यू कैन ऑल्सो शेयर. 1 मिनट वेट करिए अंकु. तीर्थ, ये दीप में क्या एरर है वो देखते हैं. चलिए
Okay, sir.
बार ट्राई करते हैं. दीप, आप शेयर करो स्क्रीन. Other student, if they don't have any issue, any query, and if that simulation circuit is working fine, so they can
Sir,
just
is
write
it
their
visible?
number and name and say, yes, it is visible. We are getting a same error.
Yes, sir.
Try to run it. रन करिए क्या हो रहा है. पीछे तो
Sir, ये
नेटलिस्ट कंट्रोल.
एरर आ गया.
यस करो तो यस क्या हो रहा है. यस में क्लिक करो, आप में कुछ हो रहा है आगे या नहीं.
एरर फाइंडिंग आता है सर.
हाँ करिए तो सही. यस तो करिए, देखते हैं.
सर यस करने के बाद भी वहाँ पर सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स का एरर आता है.
सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. ये ऑसिलोस्कोप करो, ऑसिलोस्कोप के ऊपर.
सर
ये
एक
तो रन तो हो रहा है. ऐसा हुआ ना.
Sir, I can't. It's not opening.
स्टॉप करिए फिर से सिमुलेशन स्टॉप करिए शायद
वो भी
वो
स्टॉप
भी
नहीं हो
हो
रहा
गया।
है। 1 मिनट, कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा है।
नीचे वो स्पाइसनेस की जीरो वार्निंग जीरो एरर है उसमें कुछ दिक्कत नहीं है पता नहीं रहता है इसको। ये 20,000 हर्ट्ज 0.0 ये कुछ गलत नहीं है शायद इसके वेवफॉर्म में
सर एक्चुअली
वो
सॉफ्टवेयर है
देखो
हम
जो
नथिंग हैपन।
सॉफ्टवेयर है काम करके सेव किया था या नहीं
नहीं सर, सेव नहीं किया।
एक बार ये पूरा कंट्रोल पैनल में जाके वो बंद करके फिर से चालू करिए कुछ हो सकता है आया आया कुछ
ओके
आया
सर।
could not read
हाँ सर।
error close could not read close ये जो आप मल्टी फाइल दोनों कर रहे हो ना आप तीर्थ और दोनों वो मुझे
यस सर।
मेल भेजो ना विशाल लेट मी सेंड यू द
ओके सर।
मैं
और
चेक आउट नहीं आप मेल आप मेरा मेल है आपके पास
यस सर।
यस सर है।
ये वो सर्किट बनाई ना वो एक बार मैं चेक हो रहा है या नहीं ठीक है other students they can write their enrollment number and name then they can go if they don't having any doubt तो कर रहे हो मैं चेक करता हूँ यहाँ पे
यस सर अभी कर रहा हूँ।
ओके किया मैं
यस सर डन।
एक मिनट चेक तीर्थ का मुझे सर्किट ओके ये ओपन नहीं होगा मेरे में मल्टी सिम है आप में मल्टी सिम 14 है ओ दिस द इशू like in multisim 14 it's not working multisim 13 में से ट्राई करिए शायद हो सकता है तो वो नया इंस्टॉल करके क्योंकि अभी
ओके सर वो
में
ट्राई
multisim
करेंगे।
30 है तो ये एडवांस नहीं होगा सो ट्राई टू इंस्टॉल दैट एंड डू दैट आपका भी सेम यही
ओके
है दी multisim that's create an issue so try with
ओके सर।
multisim 13 वो डाउनलोड की लिंक क्लास में दी के चेक करिए
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So आई एम एंडिंग मीटिंग एंड कोई डाउट है तो मुझे मेल करिए या फोन करिए, ठीक है, देखते हैं क्या हो सकता है. Write your enrollment number and name and then you can do. Thank you.